We've got the recipes from the diners and the steakhouses, from parents and grandparents and the old neighborhood grill expert, and we're bringing those recipes to you. This is ONC, the Old Neighborhood Video Cookbook.
Okay, that's a wrap in the kitchen. Mike, go ahead and read the script. We'll let the credits play.
Okay.
Old Neighborhood Cooking and ONC, the Old Neighborhood Video Cookbook, are brought to you by the KP Productions Video Team, the DLC Media Group, and Cup Sound Studios, in cooperation with Busted Pipe Productions. Research, legal, and professional services provided by Firm of Cups, Portuese, Buffa, and Paraskevich.
Wake up! Is that the only way to get through to you? Do what they all do? Bust like a hot water balloon?
Doc, what's...
You're watching KPBP TV, streaming video in the Midwest. Stress is implicated in the cause or the course of 85% of all illness. Numerous medical studies have proven that mindfulness meditation is an effective strategy for dealing with the stress of everyday life. Join us on KPBP TV, streaming video in the Midwest, as we proudly present Mindful Moments with Gary P. Brief, easy-to-follow guided meditation techniques that will help you to return to homeostasis from a certified stress management educator.